People often say life is about community. The same could be said of life in the ocean. A colourful and balanced ocean community that's teeming with life is what scientists call biodiverse. But how do we know if sustainable fishing helps the ocean have more life? Well, we scientists use maths, the maths of life. Here's how marine scientists measure life and ensure our ocean is fished sustainably. Let's start with abundance. Scientists count the individual fish in the stock the fishers are taking from. The numbers of individual fish of one species are the abundance. To ensure that there will be more fish, we advise that sustainable fishers leave enough to reproduce and keep stocks abundant. This is so that the adult fish can reproduce and contribute to the future stock's health and size. But imagine a community that only has one type of fish. It doesn't matter if these fish are abundant, because a community can't function without variety. So what do scientists mean by variety? Well, we call this species richness, and it means all the different types of marine organisms and fish within the community. By following scientific advice and not overfishing, sustainable fishers make sure they minimise their impacts on other species and their habitats, and so there's more colour. This reduces extinction risk and makes for a rich and varied community. But even if your community has several different kinds of fish, but not many of them, it won't be able to support the community demands. So to figure out a community's health or its diversity, scientists have to measure the relative abundance of each species. This is known as evenness, and it basically means a balance between the amount of colour and the number of fish. So that's the maths of life, and it's how scientists know that sustainable fishing means more fish plus more colour with more choice equals more life.